So once you've started the 504 and you've completed the referral form, the next step really is to start the meetings. So if I click on the meetings submenu item here, it'll bring me to the meetings, and I've already created a meeting so that we can kind of go through what I've already started. To create a new meeting, you simply click Add Options, drag down to Add, and you'll be able to get the meeting notes. So once I open up this meeting item, I actually have two parts to it: the meeting notice and the meeting minutes. So the notice is when we're scheduling the meeting. So I've scheduled this meeting for November 7th at 9 a.m. and next add the participants to the meeting. So this is a very simple process. This will allow me to identify all of the participants that are there. So I am going to click on the Add button, and when I do that, it will create a new record here for me. And the first thing that I can do is click on the little pick list icon so that I get a list of participants. And you'll notice that my team member types are listed here, and I have a special education staff type, a regular education staff, independent contact, contact, and student. I can also click on this tab to take notes during the meeting, and that meeting date will be on the 7th of September. And I am going to, when I finish with this, say that I gave them their parental rights and that I actually sent that document with them. My meeting minutes are going to retain all of the information that we retain in meetings. Ideas discussed, plans created, progress monitoring notes, and the next steps will all be clearly articulated in the meeting notes.